Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add artistic effects and painting styles to your photos in PicsArt. So turning your photos into artistic masterpieces in PicsArt is so easy. With the built-in artifacts, brushes, and filter, you can create paintings, sketches, and digital art easily. So what you need to do is just follow this simple step that I'm going to show you through this video. So the first method, you can use PicsArt artistic effects. So it's just one click painting. So because PicsArt offer AI powered filters that instantly turn your image into paintings. So you can just open the PicsArt app and then here click on a plus icon and then select the image that you want to turn into painting. For example, in here I'm going to just find an image. Let's say I want to use this photos right here. Sorry. And once the photo is open, you can just tap on effects in here at the bottom toolbar, and now you can just swipe until you find the artistic or the magic category. So let's say I'm going to just go with artistic. You can choose an effect that you like and choose oil painting. You can also use sketch in here, watercolor. So just choose which one that you like. For example, I'm going to go with watercolor in here. Let's also try the oil painting. So just choose which one. And here you can also adjust the effect manually by clicking on it. You can adjust the amount or the intensity just like this. And to apply, you can just tap on the check icon and it is done. And the second method, you can use brush tool for hand painted effects. So the brush tool lets you paint over image manually for an artistic touch. So let's just undo this. So what you need to do is just select a photo again and then tap on the brush or the draw menu in here. Click on draw, and here you can choose the type of brush that you want. You can see there are lots of options that you can choose. So just select one of them and draw over the image for hand painted look. Just like this. For example, you can change the color if you want to. And you can just click on the check icon to save the brush. And this next method is you can just blend layer for digital painting look. So for more complex artistic effect, you can blend multiple images or texture. So you can just use the add photo options in here to insert a texture or painting overlay. So let's just find it. I hope we can find it in the PicsArt library. Let's just find texture. Okay, let's use this ones right here. Let's for example, click on add. Now you can just adjust the size to fully cover the main image and use the blending mode in here. You can click on blend and choose which one that you think fits with your photos. Let's say I'm going to just go with multiply. Tap on the check icon and it will be applied. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.